Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a password protected account on the CyberPi. This is a really simple and fun project that you can use to secure your device or create a basic authentication system. Let's get started. First of all, you need to install a package. That for this lesson we're going to new terminal, and we're going to install pip install pygme. This is the package we want to install. So I already installed, that's why I get all recommend already satisfied. But if you're using first time, you have to install this. If you have any issues installing the packages, make sure you don't have two separate Python libraries in your computer, because if you have two libraries, you will get issues. If you have any issues installing the packages, normally just go to file, create a new file, and from here use Python file, and you can install the packages from here too. So you will come to a default Python libraries. Now let's get started. We're going to use import CyberPi. Let me have some space here that I can type, and going to enter. I'm going to use import time and import pygme. So now I'm going to use set up the CyberPi. Okay, CyberPi. I'm going to say LED off, CyberPi display clear, rather pygme. I'm going to use a mixer shade. And after that I'm going to use create a function to blink lights. Use def blink lights, color, duration, and after that we're going to use CyberPi on, and I'm going to use color. Okay, so after that we're going to use time sleep option. I'm going to use duration. This code is going to be a long, so I'm trying to concentrate to the code I'm typing. LED off, so I'm going to say LED off, time sleep option, say duration. Okay, so next one, create a password. So this is going to be a loop. While true, CyberPi console print. The console going to print what you're going to here, create a password. I'm going to use this. After that you're going to say CyberPi console print, say type password. I'm going to try to make it short because the display need to show that stuff. So yeah, so we need to say type password, we're going to space, close the bracket, let's say pin, actually pin 1 and input, say CyberPi console, and I'm going to say print, I'm going to say type password again. So yeah, I'm going to say confirm, and pin 2, let's say pin 2, I'm going to say I'm going to say actually input, let's say input, pin 2 is going to be another input, and we're going to say if pin 2, I'm going to say pin 1, if pin 2 pin 1, we're going to say CyberPi console print, I'm going to say success. Now you can get an idea what's going to happen here. Yeah, so we're going to say success, and after that we can say blink the lights. So you want to blink the lights, I'm going to say green, and we're going to say 0.5, let's say CyberPi audio play, I'm going to say tone 1047 and 0.3. Let's break. Now we're going to say else CyberPi console print, let's say passwords don't match, try again. Okay, you can say blink lights, I'm going to say red, oops, I'm going to say red, and this also 0.5. Okay, so else we use the else and the success. Okay, next is we're going to say sign into the account. Okay, now we're going to sign into the account. So I'm going to use the T 0 while T. I'm going to say 3. T3 with the CyberPi console. I'm going to say print. It's going to be sign in. Okay. Now we're going to use pin input. Let's say password. Pin input password. Okay, and after that CyberPi console print. I'm going to use password. Going to use another CyberPi console print. Go into pin. So we're going to show the password in the console, right? So whenever we type in here the password, it will going to show here too, because this is a security. You can see the password. Where did I stop now? CyberPi console print the pin. Okay, now after that, if pin this is the pin one. You notice the pin one. If pin, going to use CyberPi console print. I'm going to say success. That's a message. Okay. Print again. After that, I'm going to use blink. Going to do blink lights. Let's say green. Actually, green. Green. Going to say 0.1. I'm going to close this. So we use CyberPi print success out of CyberPrint blink green light, and I'm going to say CyberPi audio. We're going to say play tone. So this is where we're going to use a tone when it's success or failure. We're going to make a tone. After that, time sleep, we're going to use 2. Time sleep 2. Blink lights, I'm going to say green. Let's see 0.1. Let's say again CyberPi audio play tone 1047, and this time 0.3. Okay, we have another loop we're going to create. file true. Going to say CyberPi LED on. So great. I'm going to say time, say sleep, I'm going to say 1, time sleep 1. Okay, now we come to the else statement. Else let's say CyberPi console print incorrect, try again. After that we can say blink, we can say blink lights, red and 0.1. And after that we can say CyberPi audio play another tone. So this will be 262. You can change to any tone you like. This is what a simple tone I got from the CyberPi, because they have their library. It's easy to grab the codes from the library, so I use 262.0.3. time sleep. Next lesson I'm going to try to create a graphical interface. So next lesson going to be very interesting. I'm going to use the same code but with the graphical interface. So +1. Okay, don't need to have any stuff in here, so we need T. Actually, to be very careful if you don't have a space, because it's not going to give you any error message, but you will have the code not going to work correctly. Sometimes you don't see error code. See, that's the issue. So make sure you don't have any space between. Now I need to do if. Okay, I'm going to say if T. I'm going to say 3. Okay, because we used the 3. And what we going to do, CyberPi console println too many failed attempts. Okay. Let's say while true, that's another loop. CyberPi LED on save. Should I need double quotes to red? Time sleep 1. Okay, I'm going to run the code now. I'm going to hit run. I had small errors. I fixed it. I couldn't record what I did. So make sure you check right now and see your code don't have any issues, because I have some space in here missing. So okay, if you can see my screen, it it telling me to create a password, type a password. So in the CyberPi, so in the Visual Studio, you will pop up in here. You can see in here to press enter, confirm to input. So I'm going to use 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to create a password and I'm going to enter. Okay, so in the CyberPi, say create a password, type password again. So now we need to confirm the password, right? Because we enter 1 2 3 4. So just in case, I'm just let's do the 1 2 3 4 and see 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'm going to enter the same password. You can see that it make a green light and sound. Now say type password again to success sign in. Okay, actually this was old one, so now it says success sign in. So the password is success. We enter 2 times, password created. Now enter 1 2 3 4. Now we're going to sign in. Success. You can see it's green and we get 2 blinks. Now success means this green light. Now you is able to log in successfully. The password is 1 2 3 4 because we enter in the Visual Studio 1 2 3 4 password and it was successful. So now the code is done because successful login. Now let's do another one again. We're going to run it again. Sometimes if it's importing and not doing anything, that means the CyberPi is using the old file, still in the old file. So you can do two things. You can unplug the CyberPi, plug it back, or we can restart the service. I'm not sure it will correctly. Yes, it does. Okay, you can see it came back again. If you see after import, if you see this stuff, that means the service is running. Okay, hopefully you can see the code. Okay, so now the first thing we need to enter the password, set up the, so we create a password. This is the function it's going to do now. Okay, creates the password. Now we're going to say 1 2 3 4. We enter 1 2 3 4. Now it says password again. Says password, enter again. I'm sorry about my camera, it's trying to focus. Now I'm going to purposely I'm going to type a wrong password. Okay, and let's see what's going on. 1 2 3 4 5. This is our original password 1 2 3 4, but I'm going to type a different password. Okay, you can see it blink red light and type the password again. So still we're going on this create a password section. Okay, now I'm going to give another one 1 2. Oh, you know what, once we enter the password wrong, it will go back. This is going to be a loop, right? So it will tell you, okay, type again new password. So I put 1 2, I'm going to use 1 2 3 4. So it's going to be a wrong. Now telling us to create a type again new password. So it's not going to keep the old password. It's telling you after 2 times it will redirect you to type a new password. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter correct password 1234 and 1234. I'm going to create a password. Okay, I just created. Now it's green, successful. Now it's saying to sign in. Now I'm going to type a wrong password 123. Okay, says password invalid, try again. I'm going to type again 123. So you can see in here says password 123 in the CyberPi. I say try again, sign in. I'm going to say 123 again. Okay, so that's 3 times. Again. Okay, so now I don't have option to again enter because it's maximized. Now is too many times. Now it's locked. Now it's red color. You can see it's red and you can't enter again. So that's how you create a password authentication with CyberPi with Python. Okay, now we're going to take this code and we're going to run in the MakerBlock editor. Okay, so let me copy this code and I'm going to switch back to MakerBlock. 1 second, let me go back and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to connect. Yeah, because it's not connected because it's connected to the Visual Studio Editor. Okay, I just connect. So connected successful and I'm going to run. Okay, so we have a black screen in here. Create a password, type a password. So I'm going to use ABC for this one. It says password again, ABC. It says green, success, and sign in ABC. Password. Successful. Can see successful. I'm going to run it again. This time I'm going to try to make a mistake. I'm going to say ABC. I'm going to say ABC. Okay, we created a password. Now ABCD, wrong. Try again, ABCD. Try again. This time I'm going to use ABC. Okay, success. So if you get 3 times wrong, you will get locked your account. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.